today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to the next line when writing messages in Slack. This might seem like a simple task, but understanding it fully can really enhance your communication skills, making your messages clear and well organized. Now, if you've ever found yourself trying to add a new line to a message and accidentally sending it instead, this guide is especially for you. Let's dive in. So first things first, you need to select a channel where you want to send a message. This could be any workspace channel you're part of, whether it's a team discussion, a project channel, or even a direct message. It's important because the context of your message could influence how you format it. Once you've decided on the channel, it'll be ready for you to type in your message. Now, let's talk about the core of this tutorial, how to actually move on to the next line while writing your message without sending it prematurely. You begin by typing your message as you normally would. When you reach the point where you want to start a new line, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While you're holding the Shift key, press Enter. This key combination is your secret weapon for creating a line break in a message on Slack. You'll notice that your cursor moves to the next line, allowing you to continue typing your message. This is a great way to organize your thoughts, especially if you have multiple points to convey or need to separate paragraphs for clarity. Once you've crafted your message with the line breaks in all the right places, the next step is to actually send it. Simply click on the send button or press enter without the shift key if you're ready to share your beautifully organized message with your team. Checking this over before you hit send is always a practice worth adopting, ensuring your message conveys exactly what you intended. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful technique to make your Slack messages more readable and professional looking. Mastering these little tricks not only helps convey your message more effectively, but also enhances your communication etiquette. Remember, clear and well-structured communication can significantly boost productivity and reduce misunderstandings in your team interactions. Keep practicing this method, and soon it will become second nature. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to go to the next line when writing messages in Slack. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to use this tip the next time you're in Slack, and share it with anyone who might benefit from it. If you have any other questions or need further guidance on using Slack, feel free to reach out. See you in the next video.